Hey guys, Playaz 7360 saying, whoa, this is hard to see, so let's just pick this up. But today we're actually going to be doing a review of the 85 Honda City Turbo 2. It's just been recently released in the 2018 B case, I'm pretty sure it was first seen in, and then it was also in the 2018 C case. So it's very sunny. I'm very sorry about that. I can't really control it, but we'll just unbox it. We'll just unbox this as quick as we can, so then we don't have to deal with this shadowing. So it's in the Hot Wheels Speed graphic series. It's number 10 out of 10, and it actually has the same sort of decal styling as one of the Honda Civic release, not Honda Civic, Honda Odyssey, Honda Odyssey. So here we have it out of the package, and it's actually quite heavy for its size. So yeah, everyone in the Hot Wheels community has been going crazy over this model, mainly because it's a JDM model and it's new, and it's a Honda. So yeah, I decided I'd pick a couple up, one for in the package and one for unboxing, and I also wanted to review it for you guys because I know you would love to see that. So it's actually quite a boxy sort of model. I actually do not know anything about the history of the model in the actual car in real life. I probably should look that up because it is quite an interesting looking car. So on the side here we have a Honda Tampo there, if you can see that. We have a Hot Wheels logo, as basically it's on basically every Hot Wheels car that they make. The number 5 and the lettering saying Turbo. These tampos are very bad on this model. It's very patchy and not aligned correctly, so I'm actually kind of annoyed about that. This side is not as bad, but still really not too great. So on the hood here, we have some poorly aligned tampos. As you can see, that red bit there is off to the side, but it does look nice. And then we have some a red stripe across the wing of the car, so that actually adds a nice touch. No rear tampos, but we do have some indentations for the rear tail lights and the license plate holder, which is nice. And also we do have some indentations here. We've got the headlights and the air intake and everything like that. So yeah, I do appreciate doing how they did that. And I also forgot to mention there is a sunroof on this model, and I actually really like that they kept it realistic with a grey black windscreen. If they did something ridiculous like a blue windscreen or a red windscreen, I would not be happy. And also, these are actually some new wheels. I do think they look a lot like those Matchbox wheels that they have come out with. But this is on a Hot Wheels. I mean, no other wheels would really look very good on this. So they did choose well. And they actually have these little dots in them, so I don't know exactly what that's for. But yeah, they do look nice on this model. On the base we have the exhaust pipe coming out the side here. It's not on the back, it's coming out the side. It's kind of like a truck. It's kind of like my Land Rover Ute has it coming out the side. So on the base it just says 85 Honda City Turbo 2, copyright 2017 Mattel, and a base code of K35. Yes, no, K36. Alright, so I'm going to go give you my thoughts on this model. So I really did enjoy taking a look at this model. It's something new and different, and that's what I like about some of the newer realistic models. Like the Fairlady 2000, I would not have picked that as being a good looking Hot Wheels car, but it really was. So yeah, I really am happy that I actually unboxed this, because it's a lot better once you take it out of the package and you can admire it properly. So I'm going to be giving this one a 9 out of 10. I just really like it, but I wish there was some more detail on the headlights and the license plates and the rear tail lights. That would have been a lot nicer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out my channel for more content like this. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.